Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I am creating wall decor using Dollar Tree plates. First, I'll be using thumbtacks to attach the poster boards to the wall, and I used a total of 13 boards that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these boards were 2 for $1. Next, I will be cutting around my outlet so that it is visible. And then I cut the poster board to size so that it will fit in the space that is left. And now I am going to be taking these 10-inch plates that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be cutting them in half, and these plates will go around the perimeter of the wall. And honestly, it's okay if some of them are not super straight because you won't be able to tell. And now I am just taking my hot Gorilla Glue and I'm going around the perimeter of the wall and just gluing the plates down. And next I am taking the full plates and just going in between the plates that are around the perimeter. After that is done, I am going to follow the pattern and go in between the next row of plates. And I'm going to continue this pattern until I reach the center. And I later went back and straightened some of the plates out to create a more defined line. And then I took the 7-inch plates and I just added them in between the spaces that were showing, especially the areas where the poster board lines were showing. I just covered them. And this is how the project looked when it was done. I am in love with this wall. It is so beautiful. And if you wanted to add a flat screen on it, you would just not put plates in that area so you're able to screw in everything. But this project was so inexpensive. This was less than $40. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Please be safe, take care, and I'll see you next time.